Hello. Are you struggling making your portfolio, or do you want to improve the one you have? If so, this course is for you. In 13 chapters, we'll cover everything you need to know on how to build a successful portfolio. I'll show you how to take high-quality photographs of your works, the most important aspects of editing documentation photos, how to select the right works for your portfolio, how to make the cover page of your portfolio stand out, the most important layout features, how a great portfolio looks on the base of examples, how the jury review process works, how to structure your artist resume clearly, how to properly export your portfolio, and important aspects to consider when printing your portfolio. In order to build the most comprehensive course possible, we've spoken to many jury members, gallerists, curators, artists, graphic designers, and photographers. Based on our findings from these discussions, we developed this online video course, which is organized as a step-by-step guide. I'm Jordy Etkin, an artist based in Los Angeles. Throughout my career, I've held residencies at the Skowhegan School of Painting and Sculpture, MacDowell, the Vermont Studio Center, the Yale Norfolk School of Art, and received various grants and fellowships where I always had to submit a portfolio. I'll take you through this course, which will give you all the tools you need to write a strong portfolio.